everyone. In today's video, I wanted to talk about my written FT40 adapter spike and arm adapter we put in it. I recently did a comparison video between an older model and the new model, which I'll put down here. But I wanted to talk to you about what I have on my adapter spike that helps me ride independently or with limited depending on where I am and the terrain I am on. In that bike has to offer a handbrake that is helpful to me, so as you can see, I don't have to lean over or lean up to reach my brake, and it's pretty easy with limited hand function.
And part of that is because the handlebars have
Right.
good adjustments. They can go closer or farther away and swivel up and down, so
Yeah.
you can get it to where you can reach
Right
easier.
here.
Yeah, just a little adjuster.
No, hear that. I'm wondering. But now I added to my bike is the high back. Now I thought that somebody who doesn't have any truck issue, we wouldn't have to worry about the high back because I am able to hold myself up with my own tool, and with that what we didn't account for is the next thing we added was a high back, which is not the standard back that you see on any of the Western tricycles. It normally comes with a normal bike pad back to it, and what we did, and we thought I could handle that with the truck ability that I do have. But what I didn't account for is it would dig into my back right here, which was not very
You mean the lower one dug into
yeah,
your back, down here. Yeah.
which was not possible when I was riding because I always had to reposition my shoulder blade so it wouldn't dig in the wrong place. Especially women that I have polio, which is a common thing among people with the deadly BP. So we added a high back to it, which allows me to firmly shoot my butt back all the way around the back almost, and be able to lean up, and as you can see, my shoulders have and my shoulder blade have a possible place to lean on. Another additional feature that I think the high back helps with is you can add on the lateral support, which if you have truck support that enables you to use your truck on your own without any ability need. You may not need it, but as somebody with limited mobility in their right arm, I noticed having my truck support allows me to rest my arms to feel me on them, and then put my wrist all the way down in a neutral, what you call it, Dad?
Yeah, as opposed to how you used to be like way up here,
Right.
tilted up. Yeah. You used to have your wrist bent way up here, but now you can sit like you're straight.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I can rest here, so I'm not like
Yeah. Struggling.
overworking the forearm right here.
Yeah.
So that is really nice, and the manual also helps when I'm doing in my coffee or holding something while I'm stationary. So those are really nice. But one thing I learned is you do have to have the high back to use the manual. It used to be they can go on the normal bike back. Now they cannot. Sadly, wanted to let you know that. And then the last thing that I added to the Western type to allow me to use it independently or with limited the pelvic corner. And what this does is it allows me to sit back in my seat and it holds my head in position, and it's not like a seat belt that is holding me back in the seat, making it impossible to sit.
But you don't slide forward either, which
Right,
you used to kinda
right,
slide forward, and pretty like, every 20 seconds, you'd have to, like, readjust, push yourself up and push
right,
yourself back. Now this
right,
keeps her in, so it's, like, so much more
right,
relaxed. And the other thing you told me earlier is, and I think that was more the laterals allow you to not lean, and that used to
right,
really hurt your hip, right, when you're
right,
leaning?
yeah.
Yeah, that was big. We didn't
So,
expect that.
with the lateral and high back, you can note for more on your own,
Cool.
in my opinion. And then the last thing I want to add to the bicycle is the cerebral handle that does not come on every model.
Which is awesome
The
for me.
better,
So I can
the
just
better
stay back
handle.
here and
So
hold on, and I don't need to push when I don't need to,
it
but
comes
it's really
with
great.
a wearable handle, but not with the
It comes with this
feminine
handle,
handle.
which is not very good for to hang on to. It kinda hurts your hands, but this is really nice. Yeah, it's got a basket in the back and all that good
But
stuff.
with a normal people, I mean, with in tray. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure you like it. If you have any more questions about how I ride my bike, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you on the